Good morning, student. Today I am going to revise problems based on subtraction on page number 38. Is the part of exercise 4F. Is the part of exercise 4F. Exercise 4F. Problems based on subtraction. Problems based on subtraction. So problems based on subtraction, it is given as on page number 38. It is very easy. Simi's mother, first question. Simi's mother is 31 years old. Her grandmother is 58 years old. What is the difference in age between them? So difference in age between them. Difference means subtraction, but from the bigger value you subtract smaller value. Means you can say also smaller values can be subtracted from bigger values. So take in your mind. So Simi's mother is 31 years old. Her grandmother is 58 years old. What is the difference in age between them? So Simi's mother old 31 years. Her grandmother old 58 years. What is difference in the age between? So difference in the age between question mark. So you subtract 31 from 58. You subtract 31 from 58. Hence 58 minus 31. You subtract 8 minus 1 7, 5 minus 3 2. 27 years. So difference in both ages means Simi's mother age of Simi's mother and age of her grandmother. Age. What is difference? So difference is 27 years. Both are as having difference of 27 years as in Simi's mother and Simi's grandmother. So you can do like this. Second question. Second question. On Sunday, 57 children took the toy train ride at the park. On Monday, 27 less children took the ride. How many took the ride on Monday? So 57 children took the toy train on Sunday, and on Monday 25 less. So you subtract 25 from 57. So 57 minus 25. It will become 32. So second question you can do yourself. It is very easy. Third question you see. India scored runs more than Sri Lanka. If India scored 358 runs, how many runs did Sri Lanka score? India scored runs. India scored runs equal to 124 runs. 124 runs. More than Sri Lanka. runs more than Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, and if India scored 358 runs, how many runs did Sri Lanka score? So, if India scored 358 runs, India scored 358 runs. 358 runs, and India scored runs 124 more than Sri Lanka. More than Sri Lanka. So, how many runs did Sri Lanka score? Sri Lanka scored how many runs? So from 358 you can subtract 124. 124. 8 minus 4, 4 here. 5 minus 2, 3 here. 3 minus 1, 2. So in this way, Sri Lanka scored 234 runs. Sri Lanka scored, you can write here, Sri Lanka scored 234 runs. So it is answer. In this way, you can do question 4 also. And tomorrow, I will explain other questions, and you try to do other question by how much is 87 greater than 72. So 87 minus 72. You can subtract 72 from 87. 87 minus 72. By how much is 236 less than 496? So like this you can do. Like this you can do. As first question, by how much 87 greater than 72? So 87 minus 72. Very easy. It is very easy. You can do yourself. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 7, 1. So by 15, 87 is greater than 72. By how much is 236 less than 496? So from 496, you can subtract 236. 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. And 4 minus 2, 2. 206. 260. So by 260, 236 less than 496. So in this way you can do. So I hope you can do third, fourth, fifth question yourself, and if you feel any problem, you can contact me. Okay. For today's class, thank you.